waxing my nose hair. Ah! Everybody has an opinion about that, but it's hilarious. The choice is yours. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a video that I've gotten a lot of questions about since I posted one of my last two videos, which is the get unready with me / nighttime routine, and it's about waxing my nose hair, right? Okay, before you wax your nose hairs, you have to know that your nose hairs are there for a reason. They protect your nose or your brain or whatever. I'm not a doctor, but those hairs are there like to protect from like outside pollution. I mean, Google it. That's what I did. It's personal preference. If you want to wax your nose hairs because you just don't want to see them, then wax your nose hairs, but you have to do what you want to do. I mean, there's so many different things that I could read about that are not good for you, but we still do them. Is it okay to drink Coca-Cola? No, it's not, but everybody drinks Coca-Cola every day and everybody's fine. Not fine, but you know. The point is, people don't need a lecture about everything that could go wrong. I mean, that's just how life is. Things can always go wrong. Like, whatever. Let me live my life. I got this waxing device. What is this? Wax heater? Wax heater? What is this? Yeah, it's a wax heater. Ooh, girl. I got it on Amazon. I bought this over a year ago. I'll try and look for it online, and if I find it, I will link it down below. This was really inexpensive. I don't think it was more than 20 bucks. But it comes with like different packages of like waxing beads and stuff like that. And then I bought the little, I'll show you guys. What are these called? Spatulas. Yeah. I bought the waxing sticks separately. You can buy the big ones if you want to do like larger areas like your arms or something like that. And then I bought the smaller ones which look like this for the nose because they fit perfectly in each nostril. And they look like this. Right? Okay. So these are the ones that we're going to be using today for our nose. I already have some preheated wax beads in there that have melted already in preparation for the video. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to place my wax heater right in front of me, and I'm going to grab some of my waxing sticks or spatulas or whatever, and I put the heat down to 165 because 165 is not hot enough to burn me, especially in your nose where it's really, really sensitive. If you're waxing something else, you can put it hotter. It really depends on the sensitivity of your skin. I put the wax all over the tip of it, not on the sharp tip, but on the other, the wider side, which is really good for doing your eyebrows too. And all I'm gonna do is put it in my nostril and leave it there. I have no makeup on, guys, my bad. I was lazy today. But leave it right there for a little bit and let it dry. Right? And then I'm going to go ahead and grab another waxing stick. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. And I'm not doing the whole nose. I'm just doing like a little piece and then I'll go back. I do it piece by piece. I don't do the whole thing because it already hurts. And so I don't need to like force it. I also don't go all the way back. I stop like right here. Obviously you don't want to go too far up, but I stop right here. I just want to get those superficial hairs that are like at the front where people can actually see. So now I've kind of let this sit for a little bit. I feel like it's hard, right? It's hard. Is it gross if I show you guys my nose hairs? Okay, so I'm going to pull it out in real time so you guys can see exactly how it feels. I'll zoom in a little bit here. Okay. I pull it out like this. That must be disgusting. Yeah, all the little hairs are now on the wax. Literally, all of them. So now the bottom is clean on this side. Now I'm going to pull this one out. Ah. Yeah. And let me show you guys this one. This one really pulled out a good amount too. Is this like oddly satisfying for some of you guys? I don't even know if you guys can see that because I can't really see, but all the hair is on. Wait, do I still have some? No. All the hair is on the wax. And so now I'm going to do the top with both sticks. Oh my God, really? Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and do the top now. And I'm going to hold it there and let it stick, like harden while the stick is there. And do the other side really quick. So now I'm just going to wait a few minutes for that to dry. and we're gonna do the same exact thing and pull them out. I feel like if you have really long nose hairs and trimming it isn't cutting it for you, like this is the next best thing. Ah! Yep. And all the hairs on the wax. Try and get it so that you guys can actually... Camera, really? Focus. Focus. Okay, there you go. I wonder if you guys can see that. I'm sure you can. How can you not? Look at that big ugly black hair. That's disgusting. Okay, now I'm gonna do this side. Oh god, that one hurt. Oh man, that's a lot of hair. Look at that. That one is a lot. See? And that's pretty much how I wax my nose. Sometimes if the wax stays in there, you can just reach in for it because pieces will still stay up there. And now I'm gonna kind of do the sides and just make sure it's like really, really clean. I'm gonna go ahead and do the inside here. I hold it there for it to dry. And I'm gonna grab another one of the sticks here and do the other side. Like this. And now we're gonna wait for them to finish and I'm gonna pull them out. Ah! And now looking at my nose, it's completely clean. Is the skin red? Yes, because just like when you wax your eyebrows, your skin gets red. Okay guys, so that is basically how I wax my nose hairs at home. Only do it if you're really sure. I've been doing it over a year. Nothing has happened to me. It does hurt, but it is worth it. You get a nice clean nose. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You can see my thoughts through there. This is what it looks like. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Mwah! Ciao.